Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with keeping projects on track or aligning your team, today's video is going to be a game changer. I'll be walking you through exactly how to create and manage a Gantt chart, also known as a timeline view, in Asana. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to visualize your entire project, spot potential conflicts, and keep everything running smoothly. So let's dive in. First things first, log in to your Asana account. Head over to asana.com, enter your email and password, and once you're in, select the project you want to work on. Inside your project dashboard, look for the Timeline tab. This is where Asana automatically generates your Gantt chart. Now let's start building it. Click Add Task to create a new task directly in the timeline view. The key here is to always assign both a start date and a due date. Without them, tasks will sit in the unscheduled section and won't show up on your chart. Once your tasks are on the timeline, you can start adding dependencies. This is where Gantt charts really shine. Dependencies visually connect tasks to show the order of work. Gray lines mean everything's on track, while red lines flag potential conflicts you'll need to fix. To add a dependency, simply drag a connector from one task to another or use the Add Dependency option in the task menu. Need to make changes? No problem. Asana makes it super flexible. You can drag and drop tasks to reschedule dates, and the entire timeline updates instantly. If you click on any task, a details pane will open, letting you assign teammates, add subtasks, or attach files, all without leaving the timeline view. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the timeline options menu. Here, you can fine-tune how shifts and dependencies affect your schedule, which is especially useful for big, complex projects. The biggest takeaways: always set start and due dates, keep a close eye on dependencies, especially the red lines, and take advantage of Asana's drag and drop flexibility to keep your projects moving forward. And that's it. You've just learned how to make a fully functional Gantt chart in Asana. This simple but powerful tool helps teams stay aligned, track progress, and hit deadlines with confidence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more guides like this, and check the description for additional resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.